Alright, so for dinner tonight, I'm going to be doing 2 packs of Johnsonville Sweet Italian Sausages. And I put them in whole, just like that, in my glass baking pan. I know I need a new one. But I did that and cut up 1 big green bell pepper. I had 1, 2, 3, 4, about 4 cloves of garlic, and I split them. Just split one time so they'll stay full and big, and it's just for flavor. And then I added some onion. I had some yellow onions, and I added them on top. Next, I'm going to put a can of crushed tomatoes. Okay, so I added 1 can of crushed tomatoes, and it makes a world of a difference than just putting on spaghetti sauce, because this is going to cook, and you know this is raw, but by the time it's done cooking, this is going to be so stewed. They're going to be stewed in it, and then I'm going to put some spaghetti sauce in a pot and cook that down, or maybe I might put it on top and let it cook after, but after this is stewed. And then I'm going to make some garlic bread, and right now I'm going to add some seasoning. So anytime I use red sauce, which is tomatoes, I have to add a little bit of sugar, not a lot, but that acidity in them tomatoes sometimes is just too much. So just a little bit of sugar, like maybe like 2 teaspoons, 2 tablespoons, something like that. Okay, just enough like that, just to give it some flavor. And I got fresh herbs in the garden I'm going to go get, but I'm still going to put a little bit of dried Italian seasoning on there as well. Okay, just like that. And then I'm going to go grab some herbs real quick. I think I'm going to go get some oregano, some Greek oregano, and just Greek oregano. I'm going to go grab some really quick. Okay, so actually I forgot I had sweet basil out there, but I did Greek oregano, and I clipped some big giant sweet basil leaves, and they are so big and they smell delicious. So I'm going to rinse these off, and I'm going to go ahead and top them. Okay, so I top my sausage, just plain flat out raw herbs. I don't want to chop them. I don't feel like doing none of that because we already got it dried. So I just laid 6 basil leaves and some Greek oregano. And it's good to go in the oven.
And take a picture.
She said take a picture. Your plate. It looks yummy.
You did good with the scoop.